My job is done here.
Well, it ended up being 2 jobs. I had 2 beds to assemble, and so I had the customer get a hold of Handy and change it, because they would have had a man coming a couple of days from now, which didn't make sense to me or the customer. This is where my tools ride, right up front. Come on. Now, I'm gonna roll on out of here. Smells fine. Okay, so let's round it down to from noon to 3. 3 hours, I made 80 bucks. And you'll see the film. It wasn't that easy. I broke a sweat. But it was fun. And the customer was nice. And I like being the magician that can put things together. So, thumbs up for Handy.